three types about the full mouth zirconia implant. The one is the with a pink. Second one is less pink. Third one is no pink at all. So which one is better? So in this videos, I can illustrate which one is better for compare from the terminologies here, dental laboratory or dentist terminology. FP1 is a no pink, okay? FP2 is medium pink, small pink. FP1 is no pink at all, only tooth, just like in this video. So you can see the video, the differences between the FP3, which is a lot of pink porcelain. So first, dentists have to place the implant correctly because they have to set up the 6 implant, 5 implant, whatever, 4 implant. So then we can set up the only tooth contour. So we trying to make convex to get the better hygiene, okay, underneath. Talking about cleansability. This video is a laboratory processing we can show you and make better aesthetic, deliver it to the patient, and that's the best video ever. So how we do that? Because the dentist make that one. Some people is not heavy, high smiling, even not high smiling, so they make already socket in the tissue area. So therefore, so we can make the beautiful CJ, which is tissue contour, to make the beautiful one-piece restoration. The problem is, here's the problem. When we make the more embrasure open, just like more deeper, okay, it looks like make better teeth. So then kind of a little weaker. That's the problem. So we have to really diagnose this case by case, even though dentist did a great job. And we have to put the lingual side a little bit more fatter, the back side, and then more thicker. And then we're trying to make hygiene. That's the key too. So dental laboratory technician must know that when they are designing. Because if we're not embrasure deeper, make separation, it tooth looks like chocolate, which is nobody like that. So this video is we make the both. We're trying to make the deeper and then make tooth is more dominant. This looks like teeth, and then more characterizations, and then surface texture. And we put the subtle minimum porcelain top of that. So this video, we're going to show you the better information. By the way, I'm a dental lab technician. I'm the owner of LSK 121 Oral Prosthetics. So this video, we're going to show you the better information. Appreciate you guys follow me, and then we can guide. So sponsor is this. Thank you very much. Sorry, it's early this morning. It's my, mouse. Anyway, so any question, you can contact to lsk121.com, and then you can set what you need, especially patient. Then we can lead to our client who work with our dental laboratories many years, over 43, 44 different states. We can connect you. So then see you next time video. So hope you enjoy this video. Thank you very much. Okay, so initially we put it into scanning, and then we have access more problem for facially 7 and 10, which is lateral. So we made the angular screw channel from the prep, and then we fabricated PMMA, and at the same time we fabricated with the zirconia restorations, just like that. Go ahead. Okay, so this will be more bigger. Right. Going out there. Okay, so we just bring it in or how many degrees? 15 degrees, 20 degrees more. 15, 20 degrees, which is this is more issue. Okay, what about the other side? That one is we bring it as well. That one is the first problems we brought it the lateral, and then the lingers we talking about the arch, which is more protected joint area. Then we add a little bit more to make it more protected, but trying to make the hygiene. Most likely this kind of case is a fracture problem, especially when patient has the natural teeth, which is patient has natural teeth. Okay, so this is the design. That's the design. Just cut the tissue away, put the little pressures, half 10 millimeter more pressure down there, and then we can the milling, nesting and milling. All right. This is the no stabilizer. No stabilizer, crazy. Put it in. Thank you. All at once. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Remember. Alright. Thank you. Good job. Right? Push it. Good. Okay, so another piece of art case. Full mouth. It was very minimum pink, almost nothing. Now we're going to cement it. The case is really well. There's angle screw channels. Top of that. So we're going to the cement soon. It's kind of little tough case. Why is it full mouth? A little pink, side by side. This is the guidance from the before patient has the restorations, which is fake restoration, and then all poor lingual aesthetics. Especially in such edge, we have to really care about this. It's most likely zirconia is a crack, which is that's why a lot of people want monolithic. With these cases, we made a lifelike. In order to make lifelike restoration, we have to be really specific design. As you saw the old my video, we have to design really specifically from the PMMA temporization. And not only that, we have to match this lateral is longer. Shoulder, I like this shape, and I like this shape, so canine, I like this shape, so we have to change it. They improve the vocal corridor as well, and then they don't need a pink aesthetic for these cases, so we don't have to put the pink aesthetic. So we put the add all the way zirconia linger. So you saw the old videos previously, and then we add facially and increase the translucency as much as possible, and then make more lifelike restoration. Not only that, we make the golden proportion, and then we just took it out from the best from here, which is a pre-op. And then this is the after we made PMMA. This is a final Citon 4500 cases with a great texture, great translucency, it's opolucency, nice vocal, proper contour and vertical dimension. We have to really careful about the lower teeth, which is the all natural teeth here. This is a more cross, this is a bridge. So patients can have the freedom contact from here. Okay, the side view. Then we finish the restorations here. So that's our good informations regarding the aesthetic, the communication, those kind of thing too. And also, like I said, this is 2 angle screw channels, so you need a nice screwdriver, which is made it angle drivers. Okay, then we fabricate it. And also, we're talking about this great hygiene as much as possible for underneath. This is key. So whenever patient has it, the less foot trap underneath as little as possible. Not only this, this is pure aesthetic, just like the lifelike diamond restoration, better than their diamond in their hand. So after we put the real detail about the porcelain facial, just very tiny, as you saw this, the frame design, and then all incisor edge for the zirconia we protected just like that. So we put the luster pieces top of the increased translucency, and then you see the all detailed design about that. And then due to angle screw channels 7 and 10, so we have to using the special tool, which is angle driver. They can use it. It's made by Priet, which is great. And then this is a finalized our aesthetics. It's from this starting the designing, and then after we designing and then scanning, design the mill, and then we the porcelain layer just carefully add it together, and then we finalize it. The full mouth pink free restorations. And also we do have a remix articulator, so they put together just like that, and then mounting. So you see this is what exactly we're talking about, the full mouth cases with a pink aesthetic. So a patient can get this maximum cosmetic cases, which is tough implant, which is 6 natural teeth. That's the issue. So they have to require all the time the stent, right? Either soft or hard. Here's another one. So only pink is here due to matching the two sides exactly. Make another beautiful ones. Just finish it. So natural life as much as possible. Just a little bit thin layer. Nice. This one. 6 implant. No pink aesthetics. Trying to make the aesthetic as possible. There's lowers, pink free, full mouth restorations. Tiny full mouth zirconia case without pink aesthetics. So the multi-unit attachment, and we finish the beautiful restorations. This is occlusion. And here are the prototypes. Changes here and there, smooth line. And then this is the final cases, just like beautiful done. Using the Gingival block. Another case. Just finish it. The exceptional aesthetic, which is signature cases. So another sight in 4500. Kind of mini Titan types. Here's one of the great cases finishes. Just cemented like this. The highest aesthetics, and then we'll finish it. this is what we protect it facially. And finally we finish it in the posterior as well.